Certain vitamins play a major role in promoting hair growth. They also make your hair look healthier and shinier than before. Here are 6 of the most vital vitamins you'll need for healthier, shinier, and longer hair. 1. Vitamin B7. Vitamin B7, also known as biotin, is one of the most important vitamins for hair. It is popularly also called vitamin H. Biotin helps in the production of the fatty acid that is responsible for cell growth. It not only repairs brittle hair, but also improves the texture of your hair. Biotin deficiency can lead to a dry, flaky, and itchy scalp. Foods that are a great source of vitamin B7 are cauliflower, almonds, walnuts, oatmeal, bananas, raspberries, liver, and dairy products. 2. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is another important vitamin that would help you to get long and shiny locks. It not only promotes hair growth, but also keeps your hair black. The antioxidants present in vitamin A keeps your scalp moisturized and prevents your hair from drying out. Vitamin A also helps in keeping your hair thick and strong. Foods that are a great source of vitamin A are mangoes, apricots, peaches, eggs, milk, and spinach. 3. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 or niacin is helpful in making your hair thick. This water-soluble vitamin helps in nourishing the scalp and promoting hair growth. Deficiency of niacin can cause hair to become dull, brittle, and eventually lead to hair fall. Foods that are a great source of vitamin B3 are carrots, mushrooms, celery, kidney beans, almonds, peanuts, avocado, passion fruit, and brown rice. 4. Vitamin C. Everyone is aware that vitamin C is vitally important for your immune system and is a great antioxidant. It helps in curing various hair problems like premature graying and dryness of scalp. A person deficient in vitamin C suffers from split ends, hair breakage, and hair fall. So to save yourself from all these problems, indulge in foods rich in vitamin C. Foods that are a great source of vitamin C are strawberries, kiwi, citrus fruits, broccoli, peas, potatoes, and peppers. 5. Vitamin E. One of the most overlooked vitamins of all, vitamin E has the ability to cure roughness and dryness of hair. It promotes a healthy scalp that is a prerequisite for long and healthy hair. It locks in moisture in hair strands, keeps them shiny, and protects them from drying out. It improves the texture and quality of your hair strands and discourages hair fall. Foods that are a great source of vitamin E are cooked spinach, peanuts, seeds, tomatoes, red bell pepper, chili powder, hazelnut, and almonds. 6. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is responsible for promoting healthy hair follicles. Lack of this vitamin can lead to hair fall problems. However, you do not require vitamin D in large quantities. Regular outings to soak in a little sunlight are sufficient for the body to generate the required amount. Though there is nothing better than letting the body generate vitamin D on its own by soaking in the sunlight, here are some foods that are a great source of vitamin D. Fatty fishes, oysters, dairy products, soy milk, cereals, cheese, and egg yolks. Vitamin B12. Cobalamin, or vitamin B12, is a vitamin that plays a vital role in boosting metabolism. Vitamin B12 aids in production of red blood cells. At the base of hair follicles, there are numerous blood vessels which are connected to the hair roots. The red blood cells carry oxygen to these blood vessels. Without adequate oxygen, hair cannot sustain healthy growth and will become dry and brittle. Vitamin B12 is also essential if you wish to keep problems like hair graying and falling at bay. Foods that are a great source of vitamin E are mackerel, cheese, oysters, mussels, whole-fat milk, non-fat yogurt, eggs, meat, and shellfish.